Let's take a look at the next problem. Let me write it down over here. It says Carmen's Cafe ordered coffee beans from two different distributors at different prices. Carmen wants to combine the two types of coffee beans and make a mixture. So this is a mixture problem, looks like. It costs $1.48 per pound. How many pounds of coffee beans that cost $1.20 should be mixed with 2 pounds of coffee beans that cost $2.60 per pound to obtain desired mixture? So we're going to have our first type of coffee bean. I'll say C1 for coffee, or first type. And then we'll have our second type, and I'll say C2, and then that'll give us our mixture. I'll just say mix. Now it looks like we're going to have pounds and dollars of how much they cost. Always with mixture you have two quantities. One quantity is too simple. That's like you have 3 gallons of water and you need 5 gallons of water. How many do you add? 3 quantities are too complex. Okay. So how many pounds of coffee beans that cost $1.20? So this will be the $1.20 mixture. Should be mixed with 2 pounds of coffee beans that cost $2.60. So this will be our $2.60 mixture. And they already tell us that this is going to be 2 pounds. So that's 2. And then it says Carmen wants to combine two types to make a mixture cost $1.48. And so this will be the $1.48. Now they say how many of these, so that's our x. And if this is x and this is 2, and these are our pounds, and if I add those together, that'll give me my total pounds. So this will be x plus 2. So let me see, what do we have here? We have 1.2x, multiplying those together, plus 5.2, 2.6 times 2, equals, and then 1.48 times x gives us 1.48x, and 1.48 times 2 gives us 296, I think. Yeah. Okay, now get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other side. I'm going to take this 1.2 over here, and take 2.96 over here. It's 2.96 and 1.48x minus 1.2x. Take anything across the equals, the sign changes. 2.24, 12, 1, 4. Okay, that looks right. And I'm not very good with decimals, so I apologize here. 0.24, I think. 0.28. Wish I had my calculator handy. That looks right. Okay, and then to solve for x, we divide both sides by 0.28. And if I do the division, we move our decimal place 2 places on both of them. 6, 7. About 8. 64, 6. Let's see, 28 times 8, 4, 6, 16. Yep, it's 8. So then this will give us x is equal to 8. Now let's see what they were actually asking for. How many pounds of coffee beans cost $1.20? So they're actually asking what the x is. So the answer would be 8, which is A. And let me double check my answer of that. 24A. Yep.